Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Takia Najib Sharif with student number 2206829950. Today I'm going to presenting my final exam answer for numerical method class. From the previous video, I already explained for the number 1 and number 2. So in this video, we're going to move on to the number 3. Okay, this is the question for the number 3. We're going to solve this question with the framework called the 5. Okay, intention. The aim is to demonstrate that undamped shock, premium shock with K 25 Newton per meter and beta equals 0 Newton second per meter are not sufficient for the STD suspension system despite being cost-effective. We will consider the effect of variable frequency in the external forcing function and show that undamped shock cannot adequately protect the satellite during certification. Okay, this is the initial thinking to approach this problem. We have three: variable frequency impact, infinite solutions analysis, and interactive plot. For the first one, variable frequency impact, which means solve the differential equation for the spring mass system with the variable frequency parameter omega, analyze how omega related to the roughness of driving condition and vehicle speed affect the system's response. And then next, invalid solution analysis, which means determine the value of omega at which the solution becomes invalid and characterize the behavior of the suspension system at this critical frequency. And then the number three, it's interactive plot, which means create an interactive plot to visualize the displacement over time with varying omega, explain the impact of changing frequency and potential damage to the satellite. Okay, this is the idealization. We have two kinds, model assumption and equation of motion. In model assumption, we know the external force model and initial condition and no damping in the system or beta equals 0. For the equation of motion, the differential equation for the undamped harmonic oscillator with an external force external force is at the slide, and solve this equation with m equals 1,800 kilograms and k equals 25 Newton per meter. Okay, this is the instruction set with step 1, solve the initial value problem. Uh, in here, we have the homogeneous solution and the particle solution. By the homogeneous solution and particular solution, we have the general solution. When we have the general solution, we're going to applying the initial condition. And by that, we have the complete solution. In the step 2, we determine the critical value of omega. We need to find the value of omega where the solution becomes invalid. Occurs when the denominator k minus 16 omega square m becomes 0. So from that, we can calculate the critical value and have the answer. And then the step 3 is interactive plot. We will create an interactive plot to visualize how the displacement changes with varying omega over the first 10 minutes of driving. Let's use Python to calculate and put the solution. In here, I already made the Python solution. This code creates an interactive plot where the frequency parameter omega can be adjusted to see how the displacement changes over time. And by that, we have the conclusion. The analysis shows that undamped shock or premium shock are insufficient for the STD suspension system. The lack of damping leads to large oscillation, especially near the critical frequency, which can cause severe damage to the satellite. Therefore, a damping mechanism is necessary to protect the satellite during transportation.